Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send photos in HD format in your WhatsApp. You'll be able to send photos in HD format in WhatsApp. So if you have any photo in your phone gallery that you want to send to someone on WhatsApp, you can actually increase the quality of that picture using WhatsApp by sending the picture in HD format. Sending photos on WhatsApp using the HD format is going to increase the quality of the photo and also retain the quality as well. So guys, want to know how to do this? Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help us grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your WhatsApp. So let me tap on my WhatsApp now. So guys, now you can see I'm on my WhatsApp. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to choose the WhatsApp contact that you want to send the photo to. So guys, let me tap on this one right here. Let me tap on this WhatsApp contact. Let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the person I want to send a photo. So if I want to send a photo now, what I have to do now is to tap on that clip icon there. You can see there on the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step to take now is to tap on gallery. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's directing us to our phone gallery. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to choose that particular image or that particular photo that you want to send to the person. So guys, now let me choose the image. Let me choose which am I going to take now. Let me go for this one. And let me select this image right here. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this is the photo I selected. So guys, now if you want to send this in HD format so as to increase the quality and retain the quality, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written HD at the top there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Let me read it out to your hearing. Photo quality. HD photos are clearer. Standard photos use less storage space and are faster to send. So guys, now you can see there are two options here. The first one is standard quality. The second one is HD quality. So guys, now you can see the standard quality has a resolution of 864 x 1080, while the HD quality has a resolution of 2048 x 2560, which is a higher quality. So guys, now let me tap on the second option to choose the HD quality. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see photo set to HD quality. Now our photo has been set to HD quality. You can see the arrow pointing at it. That's to confirm that the HD format has been chosen and the resolution and saturation of this photo has been increased as well. So guys, now you can see at the top, you can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see there that the HD option has been selected. You can see it has been marked good. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on send. So let me tap on send. So guys, now you can see I've sent the photo now in HD format. To confirm that, you can see where it is written in HD. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. You can see HD written on the picture. So guys, this is how you can actually send photos in HD format. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that when I release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.